If you would rather not get a compass card to use the Skytrain in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and are curious if there are any other options, you're on the right video here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The Skytrain is the fastest and most convenient way to travel around Vancouver. If you're a local or visiting from far away, you'll see using this form of transportation is very helpful. Most common ways to use the Skytrain is to buy a compass card, but for some this is not an option of preference. And if you're looking for other ways for payment, I'll share with you some options. The Skytrain accepts debit card, so you can tap in and tap out using it on the fare gate. If you're not from Canada, make sure to call your bank to see that your debit card will work outside your country, or if extra fees will be applied using it in a foreign land. The Skytrain also accepts credit card as a payment. Again, you can use a credit card to tap in and tap out. The readers accept American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. But I would contact your card provider if you're not from Canada to make sure there is no foreign fees charged if you use it. If you like contactless payments, Skytrain also accepts Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay as well. You can also go to the TransLink Customer Service Center at Waterfront Station in Vancouver downtown and pick up a keychain with a mini compass card, or a wristband which is used like a compass card. Just tap the part of the wristband that displays on the contactless symbol. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're curious about other transportation services in Vancouver to help you see more, check out these videos and check out my other videos by subscribing to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.